Welcome to Options Center. It is Wednesday, 3/24/21. Wanted to show you real quick. I was working on my watch list, trying to eliminate names, and wow, I eliminated so many. And I left this on the screen here so you could see. I usually on one of my screens, I usually put the MACD on the monthly, weekly, and daily, and then I just sift through names really fast. That's how I find my watch list, and I want to make sure that all of the names are in sync with the MACD, that they're all headed in the same direction. So if I'm bullish on the market, then I want only names that I'm bullish on in my watch list. So let's get this out of here. And so anyway, so today we'll go through the ES as usual for our game plan. The ES on the multiple time frame, we'll go monthly, weekly, daily, down to the 65-minute, and then we'll go through four names that we're looking at that are on our radar for today. So, but before we do that, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit the Options Tender logo, and subscribe. Hit the like button so we can get those algorithms working for us, so we can help spread the word and spread the wealth. And let's go for it. Here we are, ES on the monthly. Oh, we are working on wave 5. Let's check out the candle inside month. We did peak right out of it and grabbed all-time highs, but we're right back into range. Everything's looking bullish on the monthly. Weekly, I kind of pointed out, let me get this together here. Get it together, D. We're on wave 5. Okay, and we're having an inside week, which is, nothing to be cautious about. I think we're just coiling it up and waiting for a move, but I just don't like the little bit of divergence. I just kind of keyed that out there. It doesn't mean that we're failing. It's just something to keep in mind, okay? And as things develop, we'll look at that every single day. That's what we do here. So hit that notification button if you want to get this information every morning, review in the evening, and have a weekend update as well. So let's go here on the daily. Trend is our friend, and we're still working on this, what we think is an impulse wave 1, but we'll show on the other chart while we think we're on wave 4. So we had this consolidation from the flag. We broke out, just kind of back testing that area. We can't really get out of this range yet. We're just headed sideways. Look at all the MAs. We're above most of them, but we're really pushing on that 8 MA right now. We have to get above that again. But right now, just everything's sideways in here. And so we're gonna make a move soon. We're gonna either head down to support, or we're gonna try to break out of resistance. I know that's binary, but that's what we're watching for. We're watching for clues on that. We have a lot of divergences, so we want to burn through the divergence, and that just might be a sign that we're in a channel. Okay, and we get the top of the channel, we might have to head down. We're just going to watch price action. We're not going to predict. We are bullish until proven otherwise. We are making a slight cross on the MACD. You see that red histogram. So we are cautious. We definitely are cautious right now. Down to the 65. Okay, on the 65. Here's what we got going. So if we're on wave 1. We ended up top with a wave 3 here, and we're in wave 4. Now, wave 4s are always tricky. We have to let them play out. I got sucked in here last week thinking that we might be done, but that was just a one ABC correction to the upside, and I just, my head was saying, hey, this correction's over, but now we believe it's A, B, and C does not have to go down to any of these retracements. We retraced 38.2 already. I mean, that's pretty common for at least triangles. So let's just see what we do today. Sit back and relax. Don't play too much, and just wait for this to happen. Maybe it's a catalyst that we need. At 8:30, I think we have productivity or something. But let's see if we could break out of this triangle to the downside or upside, and then play it that way. If we break down to the downside, I'm gonna look for some of these supports and just kind of scalp because I expect after that move that we continue to the upside. Okay, so I'm not going to get too super bearish or anything. Might even just add some put protection. That's always an idea. Okay, enough of that. The MACD's crossing over to the bullish side. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get into this bullish territory. Okay, we are looking at BA. Boeing. Boeing had quite the setback there, and we think it may be getting ready to move. Here, where's my little circle? Maybe getting ready to cross over and move. That's such a large circle you have there. Right there. All right, making a crossover in the MACD. Had an ABC correction, and I think we are looking to work our way back up. RAD. RAD, we missed this wedge break, and it just trended up. It loves to move in straight lines, and I think we're almost done with this retracement here. We'd consider that a back test. Let's see. Yeah, not quite to the 61.8. We are at the 50%, so you could try it here, but just know that there is a possibility it could break down just a little bit lower. Okay. Excuse me. JKS. All right, this definitely is a 61.8 setup. We have a 1-2-1-2, it appears. This one looks primed to go. This one's a buy today. GDX. Had a great move. We loved that play. Now it's back to gap support. This retraced back to the 50. This is also back to the 50. Know that it can go to the 61.8. If it does start to work into the gap, we have a weekly support and also the expected move down here. So we have a lot of support right underneath. I don't think this will be a huge move to the back downside. It just depends what gold does and the market. So if gold's going up and the market's going up, GDX is a perfect play. So again, just hold your horses on that triangle, and let's see what plays out today. And just sit on your hands for a minute, and that's it. All right, thanks for joining me here at Option Center. Hit that like button, subscribe, and then good luck trading.